Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps other people know when they post videos. And again, before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey and my journey of losing more than 140 pounds and 145 plus weeks on the low-carb weight loss program, basically the ketogenic lifestyle. So without further ado, let's flip the camera around so you can see what I'm looking at. So today I'm at Barrett Park. Now, per doctor orders, I'm supposed to stay off my feet, but there's only so much sitting around I could do it. But my feet up, I could do. I'm absolutely going stir crazy at the house. So I have my feet wrapped up in adhesive tape on my right foot. And what's going on there, you know, I got really a bad fungus growing there, and it won't seem to go away. So I go back Thursday and I talk to the wound specialist about that and see where we can go from here. I'm getting really frustrated with it. It seems like at times it's getting better, and other times it's like 5 steps forward and 10 steps backwards. And today's no exception. So I soaked my feet a couple of times all today in some warm water with some Himalayan salt, because I'm all out of Epsom salt, and some vinegar and warm water, and I do 2 or 3 treatments like that a day. Sometimes 4 if I need it. It softens up my little bumpy, scaly stuff on my feet. It's like a huge callus buildup. Now today I'm over here at Barrett Park. You can see a bird probably going by here. Now I'm going to get my fishing license tomorrow and start fishing over here. But again, in some other places. But it's been so cold right now. It's down to about 55 degrees, you know, considering we had 90-degree weather last week. And from what I understand, this morning's weather forecast is supposed to be murky and damp and raw like this all week long. It's a little gusty, but it's a cold breeze. It's not that warm today. There's you see way over there down by that picnic table where that pavilion is. There's somebody fishing over there. I talked to him earlier, and scrolling my camera to my left, I believe there's somebody over there, way far in the back over there, just looking at some stuff. But I come down here quite often. This is called Barrett Park, and the pond is called Coburn Pond. It's a beautiful pond. My mom almost drowned in here back in the 60s, I would say maybe 50s or somewhere along the time when she was a teenager. And shortly after that, well, I would say when I was a kid, after that, they closed down the pond. And, you know, first of all, the water's too murky and too much bacteria in here, and there's too many snapping turtles and water moccasins, and I would not go fishing, swimming here. Fishing, yes, not for swimming, no. They do stock it. This is in Leominster, Massachusetts, that we have this place. It's open to the public. You don't have to be a member here or anything like that. And I'm going to be investing in my fishing license, because I thought maybe if I can't go walking, well, I can walk down to here with a chair and my pole and just cast my pole in the water and listen to my Spotify playlist and the stuff I like to listen to. And yeah, so this morning I got online and I went on live with another YouTuber that does low-carb carnivore / keto, and you know, she invited me here to chat, and we did a nice little live chat conversation. And you know, I just like I said, again, I'm getting frustrated with the feet. You know, a lot of frustration is setting in, but I'm not giving up. I just would just tell you guys that no matter where you are in your journey, not to give up. I mean, I'm certainly not giving up. The whole idea of me going carnivore is I want to see if it'll clear up some of the psoriasis that I have, and maybe stop the lymphedema, or at least control it a little bit better than what I could get in the house. And yeah, so just getting out of the house for a little bit of exercise and R&R, and getting away from the kitty cat. He gets buddy at times. Yesterday I had him in my back room all day. He was fine. He was laying down next to me purring all day. I saw sleeping off and on. Again, like per doctor orders, I have to stay off my feet. You know, I could put somewhat pressure on them. They do hurt a little bit, but if I put too much walking and pressure on them, they're going to crack open again and bleed. And that's typically what's going on with them, with that callus buildup and the all the fungus and all that stuff. And again, I got an appointment coming up Thursday with the wound center, and I'm going to have a long talk with them about what the dermatologist told me. And I'm not too happy with her right now, and needless to say, I'm not going back to her anymore. We got another scheduled appointment with another dermatologist in August, and if there's something comes up sooner, then I'll be able to do that. But anyways, that's all I wanted to say. But anyways, no matter what goes on in your life, just hang in there, take one day as it comes, and hope tomorrow is better than today. Love you guys. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day.